It's also important to take care of yourself as you drive throughout the hot summer months. Engines aren't the only thing that get overheated in the summer. Let's turn it back over to Dave Green again. Dave, you have some personal safety tips for us, right?
That's right. It's easy to become dehydrated and fatigued when driving long distances with the sun beating down through the windows. To help prevent dehydration and fatigue, remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day, get adequate rest, and know your limits. Never operate the equipment if you're feeling ill or fatigued. Wear lightweight, loose-fitting clothing and use sun protection like sunscreen. Even though you're technically inside, you can still get sunburned through the window. Smart drivers also prepare themselves for emergencies. Should you find yourself in a situation where the equipment is broke down or you're waiting out a storm, having the following emergency items in your truck will be helpful: an extra reserve of windshield washer fluid and coolant, an extra supply of drinking water, sunscreen, non-perishable snacks, cool, loose-fitting clothing, and a flashlight with extra batteries. Doing these things will ensure your personal safety throughout the hot summer months. Thanks.
Thanks, Dave. That's very helpful information. After you've prepared your truck and yourself, it's time to start thinking about your trip. Trip planning is key to safe and stress-free driving. A large part of this consists of monitoring the weather where you're currently at, where you're headed, and where you'll be at the end of your day. There are many resources that you can utilize to find out weather conditions are like in a certain area, including XM radio, the Weather Channel, internet websites, 511, local news stations, other drivers at the truck stop, etc. Utilize these resources throughout your day, as conditions can and probably will change as you drive. Based on the weather you'll be driving into, consider your route carefully. When a large storm hits a particular area, it generally makes all routes more difficult to drive on. However, it's generally safer to take a 4-lane highway instead of a 2-lane road. Careful trip planning is very important so you don't put yourself in danger or in a situation where you have no place to stop and no access to shelter, food, water, and other needs.